Arutani makiria ma magana kenda aria mandikitwo na kandarathi guthomithia arutwo a junior secondary maugite matiracoka wira wona thirikari yaga kumandika. Makianjiriria mirurungano kaunti itiganite guku bururi-ini uge wao ni unyititwo mbaru ni mwandiki munene wa ruhonge rwa Kuppet kaunti-ini ya Nyeri Francis Wanjohi akiuga wandikani wa arutani ni wigiritio uteti.
Employer himself is claiming that he doesn't know these teachers and the kind of work that they are doing. This is bad and it is in bad faith, and immediately as the court ruled they should be absorbed. Mogus
Kaunti-ini ya Kiambu murugamo wa arutani no ucio kwaga gucoka kirathi nginyagia thirikari ihingie uria yamerire marikia kandarathi ya guthomithia.
Mweri 6 gutire murutani oga wakinya cukuru iyo atari na PNP letter na ariho compensation. Tuge tureho compensation mieri iyo yothe 15 tuhuthikite tokombo
ko intimidate ne TSC kana ke igoti ne ryo turarumirira uria turumagirwo magoti maria magi appeal supreme igoti no gia turumirire ko iga kurihwo twandikwo permanently na thire urihwo.
Oho arutani aya moritie commission ya wandikani rwa arimu rwa TSC gutia watho wa igoti rwa kwandika arutwo arutani aria makoretwo magithomithia rungu rwa kandarathi.
The commission to respect the court order and confirm all interns on PNP terms. Number 2, the commission to honor the court verdict and compensate moguls for the months they have worked illegally as interns.
The determination was made that these members, these teachers who teach in junior secondary schools, be converted into permanent and pensionable terms.
Magitariria mathina maria makoretwo makigerera ta wagi wa irathi cia arutwo a JSS iria maugite macungagiririo gutukania arutwo kirathi kimwe undu uria maugite hotomagia mirutiro yao ya wira.
Kuna changamoto mingi kama ya madarasa ambazo hazitoshi, unakuta workload ni mzito sana. That's why tuna demand the government at least ituajiri on permanent and pensionable basis and terms because of these challenges ambazo tunapitia.
When we were being engaged in this contract, we were told that after 1 year we shall be confirmed as permanent and pensionable after 1 year. But after that 1 year ended, they shifted goals and they said we will be confirmed on July. Now it is on January 2025. We want to tell the government that we are tired of this.
As the interns of Nyeri County and as interns of the entire country, we are saying and demanding for equal rights. That is to mean that 17,000 is not a salary. We need our salary just as our counterparts because our responsibilities are the same as those in PNPs. So we need to be remunerated in the same way that they are being done.
Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Maina wa Kihara.